So right now you can choose any particular relationship that's actually bothering you or where you feel that a lot of healing is required. If you don't have any problem with anybody outside of you, you can also think about your relationship with yourself. Okay? So close your eyes, sit with your back and neck straight. A nice deep breath. And as I speak, just simply let this prayer go down deep into you to clear my subconscious of all the emotional charge stored in it. I say over and over again during my day the key words of the Hoponopono. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, and I am grateful. I declare myself at peace with all the people on earth and with whom I have outstanding debts.